During potentially dangerous situations, especially through receivers automatically activated by the signal warning and sending performance unlawfully conducted by the National Weather Service.
Receivers performance unlawfully conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Use variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous conditions. The stations you are listening to and the counties we alarm for are listed in a statement at the top of each hour.
Your local forecast.
Your local forecast. Dry conditions today, partly cloudy. The days as temperatures
Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Alright, that concludes the required weekly test. I do want to say, last night, my diploma, I have received my diploma. And I am on the next chapter of my life. So, maybe one more weekly test video, one more monthly test video. Maybe an iPause. Maybe like some last hurrah before the production gets slow. But we'll see. I probably won't take long before I start sending applications to a job and all. But yeah, thank you all for support these 4 years. It's truly meant a lot. And I'm going to keep pushing on doing this. I'm actually in the process of tidying up this room a bit, but I lost track of time, so it'll be different. I won't get KV's test, by the way, so there's that. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.